Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys would like to see how I created these cute glitter marble nails, please keep on watching. Okay, so I started with these long stiletto shaped nails, and here I am just cutting them down to the length my client wanted. And we wanted to go for a tapered square look. And the nice thing about these tips is that once you cut them down to the length that you want, it kind of gives you that shape already. So I really like that about these tips. So here I am just measuring them, making sure that they're all the same size. So I did go ahead and dehydrate and prime her nails before doing this step. But right here, as you guys know in all my sets, I do like to go in and add a thin layer of clear whenever I'm working with colored acrylics. So right here you guys will see me just adding that really thin layer on all her nails. And this pink that I'm using is from iGel Beauty in the color Blush Pink. And this will be the main color of the whole set. So here I'm just grabbing a pretty big bead so that I can cover the whole nail with the one bead method. And I like to place it on her nail bed and then tilt her finger down so that the product flows down her nail, and just kind of tap it into place. And on the ring finger and middle finger, we are doing the marble design. So I just dip my brush into the pink and then some white, and then put it on the nail and kind of swirl it around to create that marble effect. That's the nice thing about marble designs, is that there is no right or wrong way to do them. You can really do any color combinations and just kind of swirl them on the nail, and it always turns out really pretty. So whenever I am doing marble designs, the trick that has always helped me is to grab my beads kind of on the wetter side. That way when I place it on the nail, I'm able to play with it and move it around so that it can give me that marble effect. But one thing I found also is when I do place it, you don't want to swirl it around too much, or else it'll kind of just blend too much and it won't look very marbly. So I like to just kind of swirl it once or twice and then just let it set. And for the two marble nails, I will be encapsulating these little moons and stars into those nails. And I added this really pretty glitter from Secret Nail Affair in the color Relentless, and just kind of placed it along the lines of the marble. And then I added the little stars and the moons and kind of pressed them down into the nail. And same thing on her middle finger, just doing another marble design, dipping my brush into that same pink and then into the white, and then placing it on the nail and kind of swirling it around to create the marble effect. And I'll also go in and add some of that same glitter into this marble. And also adding the little moons and the little stars into the nail and kind of just pressing them in so that they stick to the acrylic. And on the pointer and her thumb, I will be adding the same pink all over the nail and adding a little bit of glitter to these two nails. And the glitter I'll be using for these two nails is from Easy Flow in the color Celebrate. And I kind of just placed it along the center of the nail, kind of like on a diagonal. And once I've laid down all the acrylic, I will be going in and capping all the nails in clear acrylic. And on these two nails, they have the chunky stars and the moons. I do go in first and add a layer of clear acrylic kind of on the wetter side, and this will help prevent any bubbles. So I let that set, and then I will go back and add another layer of clear. And once the acrylic has set, I will be going in with my e-file and my 5-in-1 medium bit and just going in along the sides and going up around her cuticle. And then I like to go down the nail back and forth, making sure the nails are nice and smooth. And once I'm done with my e-file, I like to go in with my hand file and really perfect the shape. So I like to start on the sides of my nails, really get in there and make sure that they're nice and straight. And then I like to tilt the finger down and really try and make the bottom of the nail really flat and straight. And once I'm done with the shaping, I like to go in with my buffer and really buff the nails out so that when I apply my top coat, you don't see any of the lines from the filing. And for the top coat, I'll be going in with Koopa's gel top coat and just applying a really even coat on all the nails. And before I do place them in the light, I like to go around the sides of them just to get rid of any excess gel that might be on the sides, and that'll really help keep your shape. And before pictures, I like to apply cuticle oil and just rub it in really well. And here's how the nails turned out, guys. I hope you guys liked this design. If you guys did like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.